Have you ever visited a place where one side you have a dense jungle with the possibility of spotting a leopard or even a tiger, and on the other side there's a British era castle sitting quietly above a lake, and right in between you can find royal chhatris, monuments so beautiful that it can feel like history is still breathing there. And the best part, this place is not overly famous yet, which means less crowd, more travel experience. Friends, today we are exploring Shivpuri, a hidden gem of Madhya Pradesh where nature, wildlife, and royal heritage come together perfectly. In this video, I will take you through Shivpuri's top tourist place, their stories, the best time to visit, and practical traveling tips. And Shivpuri is located in the Gwalior Chambal belt of Madhya Pradesh. Historically, this town was the royal retreat for the Scindia dynasty. Today, Shivpuri is famous mainly for three things: Madhav National Park, for forest and wildlife, beautiful lakes Sakhya Sagar and Madhav Sagar, royal heritage George Castle, Chhatris and temples. How to reach Shivpuri? By road 2 to 3 hours from Gwalior. By train, nearby rail connectivity is Gwalior is the best. Nearest airport is Gwalior. Best time October to March. The weather is perfect for sightseeing and jungle safari. Madhav National Park. Let's begin with Shivpuri's biggest attraction, Madhav National Park. This park was once the royal hunting ground of the Scindia rulers, but today it is protected forest where nature dominates the landscape. Wildlife you may spot here: leopard, multiple deer species, nilgai, wild boar, and many birds. And yes, there have been multiple reports of tiger movements in the region from time to time. Best experience: take an early morning safari. Winter season offers the best visibility. Keep your camera ready and stay silent. Wildlife movement happens suddenly. Sakhya Sagar Lake, a magical lake. Now imagine this: a cool breeze, dense green forest, and a calm lake reflecting the sky. That's Sakhya Sagar Lake, located inside Madhav National Park. This place is perfect for peaceful nature views, bird watching, sunset photography. In the evening, the golden light makes the lake look absolutely cinematic. George Castle. Now we move to a place most travelers don't know about: George Castle. This castle is built on a hill near the lake. It was constructed during the British era and is believed to have been prepared for visit of King George V. From here, you get a top view of lake, panoramic forest views, and a royal heritage vibe. Visit in the afternoon for clearer ride and better views. Madhav Sagar Dam. Next is Madhav Sagar Dam. This is a calm and beautiful location for relaxing, short picnics, scenic shots. If you are making a vlog, this place is perfect for the cinematic walking shots, drone style wide shots, sunset time lapse. Chintaharan Hanuman Mandir. Shivpuri isn't only about forest, it also has strong spiritual energy. One of the most popular temple here is Chintaharan Hanuman Mandir. Name itself means the one who removes worries. You will feel strong devotion, peaceful atmosphere, local bhajans and crowd energy. Shivpuri Chhatris, the royal chapter of history. Now comes Shivpuri's most iconic heritage place, Shivpuri Chhatris. These Chhatris are memorial monuments built for the rulers of Scindia dynasty. Marble work and stone carving are so detailed that you will stop and admire every corner. This place is perfect for history lovers, architecture lovers, aesthetic photography. Visit early morning or evening for the best time, best lighting. Bhadaiya Kund, hidden water spot in nature. Now let's go to the hidden gem, Bhadaiya Kund. This place is known for natural water flow, rocky landscape, greenery. During rainy season and winter, the location becomes even more beautiful. In monsoon, rocks may be slippery, wear proper shoes. Narwar Fort. Now I am taking you to a real treasure for history lovers, Narwar Fort. This is a massive ancient fort with huge gates, long walls, temples inside, and an amazing viewpoint. Narwar Fort has a special vibe. Standing here honestly feels like time travel. If you have time, do not skip this. It is an underrated gem. So friends, this was our complete Shivpuri travel guide. Shivpuri is a place where you get peace of forest, beauty of lakes, and royal history of Madhya Pradesh all together. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, subscribe to the channel, and comment which MP district should be next.